Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Silverado key fob here. It works for these models. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2450, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right on this side, right here, you see this small button. Now you need to press this button, and this way you can pull this mechanical key out. Now, when you remove the mechanical key over here, take it, and now when you hold the fob like this, with the buttons facing down, you see this hole. Now, take the tip of the mechanical key and insert it right here, right between this piece and this one, and twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily remove this back cover over here. This one, you need to remove this back cover. Now when you remove the back cover over here, right after that here you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, take the mechanical key or the small flat screwdriver and insert it here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery here in the same place, you need to install your new battery in the same way, so just place the battery like this, and now make sure, very important here, the positive side is facing up. This step here is very important. Alright, now when you place your new battery over here, take this back piece again, make sure you align it perfectly here like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together. Now when you snap them together like this, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.